My name is Theo Anagnostopoulos. I'm a scientist myself. I used to do research in molecular genetics, but the last 15 years I've been in the world of science engagement, public understanding of science. I'm the co-founder of SciCo for science communication, one of the partners for Midnight for the past 5 years. So this is me, and I think I was told that this is an event which is also a networking event. So I would like you to do a very short exercise with me. It's okay, I've checked with the commissioner. Which basically, on the count of 3, I would like you to tell me your name. So, 1, 2, 3. Hi, Katerina. Nice to meet you. So, I actually came here from Athens, Greece. On the count of 3, I would like you to tell me where you came from. 1, 2, 3. So that now that you know where you're from, and since we're talking about science, well, this isn't so scientific, but then you have something to play around with once you go to the bar afterwards. I would like you on the count of 3 to tell me what is your star sign. So, 1, 2, 3. Scorpio. Okay. All right. Let's be serious. It's the year 2025. Are you still talking about the star signs? No, I think we can leave it for later. It's the year 2025, and I never thought that we would be in a year that would have to go back and explain about the need for the public understanding of science. You see, throughout my career as a science communicator, it was a very hard struggle over the years in order to convince people about the need to communicate science, until something happened. COVID came. And then there was a systemic change, and all of a sudden the public started looking at scientists to hear directly what they had to do. How many masks shall they wear? How many gloves? When is the vaccine coming out? Is it safe? Is there a medicine coming out, etc.? So, and even the New York Times came out in March 2020 saying that scientists are the new superheroes. So things were going well until recently, where we had the March for Science, the Stand Up for Science marches in the USA and in France, and it was in order to defend pay cuts for research and the dismissal of scientists from particular positions, and also the cutting off of the whole department office for inclusion, diversity, and accessibility at NASA. So this is something that I really hadn't thought about, same event last year, that we would be going backwards. However, Europe is different. Europe stands for science, and this is why we're having events and celebrations like this, because we've always believed about the value of science. And this is how Researchers' Night came up many years ago, which is done in hundreds of cities. Some time ago it was like 360 cities. I don't know how many there are right now. And then that used to be a one-country event. Until some years ago, the committee let this project to become multinational. And this is where some people had the vision to start something multinational based around the Mediterranean countries to start with. This is how Midnight was formed, for Mediterranean Researchers' Night. At the moment, we're 7 countries that include Spain, where it started from, Italy, Cyprus, Greece, Tunisia, Turkey. Who am I missing out? France, and several cities in addition to them. Okay, so it's a celebration for science. We've been working for the past 5 years on this project with various activities, workshops, talks, shows, events, festivals, documentaries, even a voyage throughout the Mediterranean Sea, which took place. So it has been a real celebration of science engagement. Now, one particular topic that we'll focus today, yeah, I'm finishing. It's the inclusion and diversity. And we will hear some opening remarks now from some people. And we'll start with Gülsün Salamer, who, did I pronounce it well? Okay, Gülsün Salamer, who is the honorary founding president of European Women Rectors Association. So I would like to give the floor to her. Thank you.